Alright guys, so today I'm doing an oil change on my Vulcan 1600. I just want to show you guys where that additional small filter is located. People tend to forget that filter when changing the oil. So I'm not going to bore you with the usual oil details of where to refill and all. I'm assuming you guys know all that stuff. Obviously you have to drain the oil down there. And there's a filter here. So once you change it out, you go to the other side and I'll show you where that small screen filter is. So you get down on the bike on the left side, and so on the left side of the bike, this is the gear lever. So if you start looking down under that and keep going, and right there, that is where the additional filter is. So it's held on by this nut. It's easy to see actually if I place it there, right there. So that's how it's gonna look, right there. So take it off, and there's a o-ring in that, so make sure you don't miss that o-ring. It usually does not come with the bolt. It sticks to the body, the engine body, but don't lose it. If you lose it, it will start dripping oil all over the road. Then inside that there's this filter. There's a spring like this, and inside that spring, let me make sure I can do it in a single hand, is this guy. So this is the guy. He's gonna sit like that inside. Okay, so that flat end is gonna face you when you open the bolt, and this is the long filter that's inside, and it has a washer net, and there's an open end on the other side. So when I took this out, there was a lot of debris in the top part, so I washed it out, hit it some with the brake cleaner. So now it's clean, it's dry, it's good to go back in. So I'm going to put it in, and you guys can watch how I'm going to do that. So take the filter, make sure it's clean. So put that inside the spring like a spring roll. Let me first clean up any drippings in the oil. So this is how you take it out. You use a needle plier and grab it and slowly nudge it off, and it will come out like that. So I'm going to do, first I'm going to take this bolt. I'm going to seat that inside that bolt like that. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm going to get this flat end seated inside here, inside the bolt. So like that. So now I'm going to put it in. So it does some. Come on. There you go. That's it. Alright, since it has a spring, you're gonna feel some tension, so you have to push the bolt in a little bit, give it some pressure, and then turn it. Once it seats, you're good to go. Then I use what is this, 17 mm bolt. This is the same bolt that you use for the oil drain here. So same size bolt. So use it with an extension and just tighten it up. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Because that filter, most dealers ignore it, and even do-it-yourselfers, they tend to forget cleaning that filter. Again, you don't have to clean that filter every oil change, but alternate oil changes, it's a good practice to make sure there's nothing sticking in that filter. Alright, thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.